open the big one to open
Yeah,
the little one.
get ready.
Ready? Michael, come over here.
Yeah, Oliver.
Michael, come over here. You two open that one. Ready?
Set.
Set.
Go.
Go.
What is it?
Oh.
It's gonna go for ages.
Oh!
No!
No! No!
Where is he? Where? Where is he?
What do you got there?
No!
It's a dog! It's a dog!
How do you know?
It's a dog!
Oh,
It's a bloody dog! No! Yes! Sausage! Yes! Yes!
Merry Christmas, James.
Oh, I wish I could sleep with him. Gifts.
oh.
That one.
Oh.
Again, a chihuahua.
Merry Christmas, boys.
He's a staffy.
This is a girl. Turn around so Dad can see.
He's got a penis.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, boys.
Will they get along? I want to hold you. What's your
Hey,
name?
beautiful girl. Well, her name from the pound was Paris, but you boys can rename her. No, that's what I said.
What's a stuffy?
No, it's a Bull Arab cross, and they think she's crossed with a Great Dane.
or a Dalmatian.
She's got.
Take the thing off her.
Yeah, you can take it off.
You're tough.
How beautiful are you?
Oh, he sits by itself.
She's a bit nervous. She will be scared.
Can we take her today?
Yeah, she's your dog,
And
darling.
Oh my god.
she's a very good little girl.
Darling girl. She's been at Grandma's for a whole week.
She's been at my place for a whole week.
Yeah,
and
that's-
she's looking at me.
Yeah, I saw your.
Did you?
Yeah, you
9
said
days
Mum a
with
thing,
them.
but then Mum just said it was someone's dog. It was,
Yeah, well, we had to.
Yeah.
You actually so sick.
Is she allowed outside?
Oh, leave her in for now.